The Champions Award in our third place is South Mesa. Goes to team 38199 Programming Pickles. Programming Pickles, grab your trophy. Come here for a second. Hold on, please. Programming Pickles, right here. Here's the thing. One of the cool things about this is that B-Star is moving on to the Arkansas Razorback Innovation. And Programming Pickles is moving to Houston for Worlds. Let's give them a big round of applause. Congrats, you guys. Please come over to the W for pictures. I can't wait to see how you do at both of those competitions.